So I'll just go over all the Trello items and explain each one as I understand it. So the first one is Zoho link accounts. So in Zoho link accounts um, to their respective contacts. So this is being done by BCK and Nate. They are downloading all the data from the server, Zoho server, and uh, connecting existing contacts with existing accounts and then uploading it back on there. So that's the first one. Automated tests. So this is unit testing. So write some. So write a few unit tests for REST code on GitLab. Done. And I think Huenta and Viet and Dung are working on it. Same thing here. Please do it on GitLab. Next one is this is create funnel. So what we did is we want to track user metrics from driver and partner side. Nate and Reese and Daniel spent a couple of days collecting all the things that we need to track. And we want to use segment.io to do it. So they gave us a couple of Excel files that I can attach here. Let's see. And I can explain those files once once we get some more time to chat. All right, let's see what's next. The files are attached. Good. First notice of loss auto-populate. So Mayur is working on this. It's a form from our operations team, Chris from operations team, that he wants auto-populated. So that's good. Car verified on pending insurance and expiration date. This is Mayur is working on this. It's on generate insurance page. We need a status and a button and an editable date. So that's should be done soon. This is the same 5-unit test, same as automated test. So same as, what is it? This one. Update users status to current data. So when BCK and Nate uploaded deduplicated records to Zoho a few days ago, the user status on all of the contacts, most of the existing contacts, was not correct. It defaulted to it was set to a default. So they need to do something to fix that. BCK is working on that. Okay. 2 new pop-ups for doing background checks. So we will discuss this tomorrow. Staging server payments not working, please fix. So on the staging server, the payments are not working. You guys already know that. If you need my help, let me know. ID matches application at pickup. So this is at pickup time, we need to show the license image, and actually. Yep. Image. Oh, that's what it meant. So license image, and show the name of the driver and make sure the owner is trying to match the license with the image. So this is good. Monitoring for production and RDS, good. Create unique this is to this is related to the user funnel, create funnel task. So if we have IDs for most of the buttons, then we can uh, easily do better tracking. I think that's why Nate wanted this. So um, we don't have to start on this yet. Let's do the funnel first. If it's still this is still needed, then we'll do this. On this one, Mike wants some data being captured and shown correctly on owner site and also on Zoho. So some data is not showing up on Zoho, even though it was entered apparently. So I don't know who's working on this. So I think maybe Man is working on it. Not sure. So I may add in this task, we need to change this minimum 215 to 250 and also limit this daily mileage minimum to 250. We need to hide these four things and auto calculate the weekly and monthly based on days. So weekly would auto calculate to 7 into daily, and monthly would auto calculate to 30 into daily. Then we have mileage policy. This is storing in the rental contract the what was the mileage limits for that rental at the point of rental contract. So this is Jume is working on this. All contacts need to have zip codes. So BCK is working on this already. Sorry, going back to this, he is comparing Zoho. He downloaded Zoho contacts, compared them with our database, and uploaded zip codes from our database into Zoho. For new contacts, create an account while creating contact from in Zoho from main sites. Okay, so when registering as a driver or owner, we have a register pop-up. Right now, if you fill that, it creates a contact in Zoho and it stores the data in our database. When we are creating the contact in Zoho, we also need to create an account and link the contact and account together. So, because this will help us in dividing customers by regions, because the account module in Zoho helps you do that. Okay, that is it. I will delete this comment. And so on the backlog, we'll get to the backlog later. So let's focus on these tasks for now.